Okay, we're going to be working on a 2017 Mazda CX-5. We're going to be replacing the in-cabin filter. Right now we're inside the car. We're going to be looking at the passenger side, right at the glove box. We're going to go ahead and open it up. Now on the right hand side, there's going to be a little knob right here. It's a little tab. You kind of just pull it that way. You won't be able to see it on this angle, but you'll see right now when I remove this box right now, I'll show you what I'm talking about. So what we're going to do is basically you're going to pull towards you. You're going to make sure this tab is released from this. Same thing on this side. You're just going to push till it pops out just like that. You're going to make sure that doesn't get damaged. Just pull it down. And this is what I was talking about. There's a little tab right here on this side. You kind of just pull it this towards that way so it comes off that hole right here. You're going to let that go. And sometimes, mind you, it does fall off. So it's okay. You can put it back. It's no problem. So what we're going to do is pull the filter out. You're going to pull on this tab and pull towards you. Just like that. Now we're going to get the new one. Make sure it's going at the same direction. So the tab was underneath. Just like that. It pops in. Now we're going to reinstall the glove box cover. So there's going to be little notches on here that you're going to go on here. You're going to have to tilt it so it can go in nice and easy. Just go up, just like that. And don't forget to put the little, it's like a little plunger on the side. It just goes in, you just close it. And what I like to do is I like to reopen it to make sure it goes in nice and smooth. And then you can close it nice and smooth. And that's how you do an in-cabin filter.